Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set Chrome as default PDF viewer. You can see that by default, PDF files are opened with the Adobe app. Now open Chrome. From the menu, click on Settings. You will go to the Privacy and Security section, click on Site Settings. After that, click on Additional Content Settings and there click on the option PDF Documents. In this window, enable the option Open PDFs in Chrome. After this, right-click on the PDF file and in Open With, select Choose Another App. Select Google Chrome and click on Always. You can view your PDF file in the Chrome browser and now check that the icon has been modified with that of Chrome. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.